Imagine a world where ordering a pizza in Paris feels just like ordering one in New York. No more language barriers, no more awkward sign language with locals. Yes, folks, welcome to a world with just one language. In this world, the humorous side of life could get a little wacky. Picture this, you're saying something perfectly normal in your culture, like break a leg, and suddenly everyone's horrified because in this global language it means you're wishing someone ill fortune. And what about those hilarious mistranslations we all love to share online? Gone. The thriving industry of funny translation fails, wiped out in one fell swoop. Imagine the chaos of a world where everyone understands everyone. You'd think it would make things easier, but would it? Or would it just lead to more confusion, more misinterpretations, and more opportunities for faux pas? So, no more lost in translation moments, right? But would it be as fun? Let's dig deeper. Okay, so science has something to say about this. Apparently, our brain loves diversity, especially when it comes to languages. Who knew? Right now, hold on to your neurons because we're about to dive into the cognitive benefits of bilingualism or multilingualism. First off, researchers have found that folks who can juggle 2 or more languages have enhanced problem-solving abilities. Imagine being stuck in a maze. The monolinguals are still scratching their heads at the first turn, while the bilinguals have already found the exit, grabbed a coffee, and are lounging in the sun. Now that's what I call a cognitive advantage. Next up, we've got better multitasking. Picture this. You're in the kitchen, cooking up a storm. You're stirring the soup with one hand, chopping veggies with the other, and your feet, well, they're doing a salsa to the radio tunes. If you can switch between languages as smoothly as you can between these tasks, my friend, you're a multitasking maestro. Now here's the kicker. Speaking multiple languages could potentially make you a superhuman. Okay, not the cape-wearing flying kind, but still super in your own way. Studies show that bilinguals have a better attention span, a more flexible mind, and enhanced memory. So if you've ever dreamt of being a secret agent with a sharp mind, here's your chance. Just learn another language, and you're halfway there. But wait, there's more. Our brain apparently gets a kick out of learning new languages. It's like a workout for your gray matter, keeping it fit and agile. So the more languages you learn, the healthier your brain. Take that, Sudoku! Well, looks like our brain would be pretty bummed out in a world of just one language. But what about our global society? All right, folks, let's get a bit serious here. Languages aren't just about words. They carry history, culture, identity. They're interwoven into the very fabric of our societies. Now imagine a world with only one language. We'd all understand each other, sure, but at what cost? Cultural diversity, for one, would take a massive hit. You see, every language is a unique lens through which a culture perceives and interacts with the world. Take that away, and you're left with a monochrome painting where once there was a vibrant mosaic. Think about international film festivals. Picture sitting down to watch a French film, but instead of the sultry sophistication of the French language, you're hearing, well, the same language you hear every day. The intrigue, the exotic allure, all gone. Not to mention the joy of reading subtitles and pretending you understand a smidgen of Danish or Korean. And let's not forget about impressing dates with your knowledge of exotic-sounding words, mi amor, mon chéri, mein Schatz, all replaced with my love. It's just not the same, is it? So while a world with one language might seem convenient, we risk losing much more than we gain. The rich tapestry of our diverse languages is what makes our world so incredibly interesting. So it seems having just one language might not be as cool as it sounds. But what do you think? So we've had some laughs, learnt a thing or two, but now it's your turn. Would you prefer a world of one language or the linguistic chaos we live in today? Let's get a lively dialogue going in the comment section. Remember, the beauty of our world lies in its diversity, and language is a significant part of that. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And if you didn't enjoy this video, well, show us some love by, you guessed it, hitting that like button anyway. So in the end, it all leads to that like button. Thanks, folks.